welcome. Today we are out at VIP and
it's raining.
yeah, it's not looking the best, but we're hoping it's gonna rise up and it's gonna be sunny, but we're not sure yet.
Yeah, and hopefully the YZ don't kill us this week.
Yeah.
Got a new throttle housing, clean the carb, you put the fuel pipe on because I ain't got any tools.
I reckon we're sorted. I reckon it's gonna run absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
Absolutely brilliant. And we're going for trying to clear as many jumps today as we can. So Kim's working today, so it's just me.
Yeah, unlucky Kim.
Yeah, unlucky. So yeah, you can just watch us later and be very jealous. But yeah, so itching to get out. So we'll see you out there basically. Catch you in a bit. Right, here we are, so this is VIP. Quite light riding VIP. That guy, yeah. How did you find that?
Slippy.
Wet. I lasted about half a lap before I couldn't see anything.
You had to
I took my goggles off and got absolutely covered, yeah.
I'm currently, we've got a rip and roll, so now I've got to try and figure out. I've lost them a bit.
You need to change the, you need to put the actual taps on it.
So, let's go ahead and do that now.
That'll be good, that'll be good. How was that?
Yeah, that was much better, actually.
Yeah?
Yeah, much better.
It's not as bad as I thought. I thought it'd be slippier than that this time, but I thought it'd be slippier than that this time.
That was good for me, I enjoyed that one.
Yeah?
That was good.
Perfect. How are you getting on with the jumps?
So I cleared that one over there, where you've got a nice long run up in there.
Yeah. That one's nice, isn't it?
I was like, yeah! I was screaming on the camera. And then yeah, just like 3/4. The others, I just find it so hard to get the speed out of the corner.
Yeah.
Get the freaking.
I know what you mean. Well, in yours, you've got to be in the right gear. That's the problem, isn't it? Whereas in...
This is quite rich off the bottom.
Oh, okay.
So, you know, when I was going around, it's like... Oh,
okay.
So I think it needs to get like
A little bit of a tweak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But on this, I feel like 3/4 of the throttle is freaking on it.
Yeah.
But then that first initial opening,
Yeah.
it's like,
Oh, okay. Almost like bogs down a little
like
bit.
even in seconds, I'm like holding the clutch, doing that, like flicking the clutch, and it's still like,
Oh, okay.
and it's off.
Maybe it just wants a little bit of tuning.
Yeah. See my wonky sticker skills.
It doesn't matter. You'll be going that fast. No one will see that it's wonky, will they?
Very, very
All that matters is what it says. Oh, that is beautiful. Oh, yes, Bill.
No air bubbles, quality stickers right there.
That's the money shot right there. Thank you very much.
I just need to twist it myself now.
That's all we need now. You reckon that? Yeah. It'll sit nice though, won't it?
Yeah, forget the blooming thing off.
They're like really heavy duty, so they're quite thick, aren't they? Oh, you've gone for the sparkly one.
Yeah.
Like it. Oh yes.
You take.
That is nice. Then one the other side to match like.
Yeah, man, this is that one.
That is nice. Look at that. Twist and go. Let's go. We've got Bloody as well, Lewis. They're on his 350. Got Bill on the amp. I was behind you at the end.
Yeah, I remember seeing
To be fair, you were flying.
Scaring me.
No, he says he just can't jump.
You were doing good. Honestly, you were flying.
I knew you were good, and I seen you behind me. I thought, shit, he's on the case.
It was near the end. I was like, oh, I'm pretty tired, and I was like, no, it's it. I've got to try and catch him. Oh.
Like, the last 4 or 5 laps, I was just hanging on for dear life.
To be fair, that was good.
That track's fucking lovely now, though.
Yeah, no, it's nice now.
Yeah, I mean, I bought now a new bike. I've just started it 3 times.
Just to check it.
Yeah, loving it. I swear that's not a problem to me.
I've got a load, Lewis. You know what I mean? But we'll wreck it out with the idea that we'll take the bikes at some point, maybe like a couple more years time, maybe, or something, or
when Kim's a bit more confident.
Maybe next year. Well, she's kind of said that going to Spain, like, obviously she'd want to be X amount confident before going to get the most out of it, I suppose, isn't it?
Yeah, because all the tracks are real freaking flowy and jumpy as well.
Yeah,
aren't they?
I can imagine the jumps are pretty big, and they're a lot faster than a lot of the tracks over here, aren't they?
Yeah.
Anyway, how are you finding it?
Yeah, good to be fair. It's good in a minute. I've cleared the one jump down on the side.
The far one over there.
And then I'm pretty much about that far from the jump down there.
Which one? Like that last one, the awkward one, or the bigger tabletop?
I think it's the bigger tabletop.
The one like right at the back.
You go round the left.
It's the one just after the S's.
Yeah, that's
that one. Yeah,
that one.
That's quite a big one.
Yeah, that one quite.
You're quite close to.
Yeah, and obviously, it's literally just like carrying the corner speed out over the bumps and just keeping it at one sort of speed.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, as long as you've got the power through the corner, you'll be able to clear it.
Good.
Oh,
It's about
perfect.
the track at the minute. The track.
Yeah,
is
it's
like,
good. It is mega.
Right.
I thought it was going to be a lot choppier that time out, but it was probably the best it had been, isn't it?
Yeah.
What was that? That was like the third
That was
session.
the third session.
Yeah,
Wasn't it? We've got
third.
two
Yeah.
left.
But yeah, no, it's really good out there.
No,
It's good.
It is
Yeah.
good. Ugh. Hopefully the rain stays away. I think we should. It's a bit freaking.
Yeah, it looks a bit dark over there, but I reckon we'll get away with it. We've got another 2 sessions, do you reckon?
More, yeah. And Lewis got wiped out. That was.
Yeah, Lewis
That
got
was quite
completely
interesting.
taken out, and he's absolutely miserable about it.
But,
I was literally following not too far behind him, and somebody dropped their bike in a corner and dropped their bike into him, and then he dropped his bike.
yeah.
But yeah,
I was behind you two. You went
could
wide.
see it happening.
Lewis went on the inside, and you just see your man who toppled into him didn't even fall off. That was the funniest thing about it.
Oh, did he stay on the bike?
Yeah, he was pretty much stayed upright, and then you just see
Lewis fell off. We're talking about how aggressive you are about dropping your bike. Yeah, he's not very happy. But I'm pretty sure I've got it on GoPro, so I'm going to put it in like right now.
Every single one of these. I just need like 5% more commitment. Come on, let's have you. No, shut off. Stop shutting off. Oh god, wrong gear. Better too. Come on, my favourite bit. Drop a gear, come on. Leg out. Turn around. This is good. Come on, I got it. Come on. Right on the lip. Some people class that as clear, but I'm not going to class that. Very close. Right on the left. Come on. Bit more speed to the corner, leave it in third. did you find that time?
Oh, amazing. I think I cleared the jump once.
Oh yeah, which one?
It's that one going that way.
Yeah, it's a good one, isn't it?
Hey?
It's a really good one, isn't it?
Yeah, defo. I like it.
It is good. It's got a really nice run up. You can get everything, get in the right body position and just flip and go.
That's what I need to realise.
Yeah.
Getting back and grabbing my legs across the side. Stand up, grab my legs in and then take the jump.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, yeah, around everything else you're flipping quick, I'm telling you.
Crazy.
You know that tabletop out the corner that's really awkward, that's coming back towards, like, looking towards the car park?
That good one over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A bit, yeah, that one I'm now clearing. Like, I'm slowly getting there. I'm trying to tick them off. It's hard though, isn't it?
Well, that one, I've got that one 100% dialed.
Yeah.
And that one, I've done it once, but it was a bit frisky. My front tyre landed on the down, but I felt my back tyre just touched the top of it.
Yeah.
But now, I'm going a bit slower around the actual corner, so then I can stay away from the shitty outside bit.
So you can,
just go straight.
So you can get on the power, get ready for it.
I'm not bothered about corner speed, just so I can get it ticked off the list and clear that one time.
Yeah. How was that? I was behind you for a good amount of time. To be fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, it went well that time. Really good.
It's hard when you want to overtake people because they're like, especially when they switch, because like
it's difficult. I find I seem to keep getting like in a bottleneck, which is always going into those S's.
Yeah.
And like as soon as you're behind someone, like I have made a couple of passes, but it's really difficult without like just diving down the inside and then looking like a flipping knobhead, if you know what I mean. It's really difficult.
It's really annoying when they like go really fast and then they like stop just before a jump and you're like, stop doing that. Or they'll just go from one side of the jump to the other and you're like,
I had one like going along that back straight, you know, that jump which is like the long one.
Yeah.
Where I was going and he was in front of me and I was literally just matching his speed completely, literally like directly behind him, and thought he was just going to go, and then did exactly what you said, just shut off, and I was like, whoa!
So dangerous.
Just got away with it, kind of thing.
Because then you've got to take evasive action just before a jump, so then you're like sideways going over a jump.
It's just sketchy as hell. But yeah, no, this looked good. It did look fast. Fair play. How was that time?
Alright, but
Yeah?
Just getting death grip. Can't get wiped out. No, I'm just getting death grip a lot.
Getting a bit tired.
Yeah. I'll be alright.
Has your phone case got flowers on it?
Yeah, it's a mum's phone. You think I'm buying a new phone case? Not a joke. I've got boots that are freaking size 12 and I'm a size 11, but they'll do.
Yeah, mine are bigger because obviously mine got nicked, so luckily someone had a spare for me.
Yeah, well, these came free with the bike, so I'm rocking them until they fall to bits.
Yeah, literally. Oh.
Yeah,
I have air in it, yeah, it's quite firm. How firm's yours? About the same. Right, last session of the day, but maybe let's not say last session of the day actually, otherwise one of us will probably end up in hospital. But I'm gonna focus on clearing these jumps, I think, because I've done everything else really. I think I've rode quite well today. Everywhere else seems to be doing well, so maybe just slow it down around the rest of it. Try to not ride like a maniac the whole time. Just try and focus on clearing these jumps because they're doing my head in. The ones that I'm just falling short, not having it. Come on then, let's have these jumps that I can't see fucking clear to the light, you know. Well, that's one down.
what a day. Track was absolutely mega. The rain held off, so there were some really good lines in it by the end. Managed to clear all the jumps as well, so I was wow happy with that. Yeah, what a day basically, with a good bunch of people. So, what do you reckon, Bill? Good day? Savage day. You rode really well.
Yeah, I finished one, 3/4, most of the others, so yeah. I'm happy with the same as one.
Yeah, happy days. A little bit to work on next time, ideal.
Yeah.
We've all got it to work on, so we're all golden. But yeah, that's us logging off, end of vlog. Bye everybody. Bye. If you don't already know who Bill is, he's a fellow YouTuber, so be sure to check out his channel. He's on TikTok and Instagram as well as BKMX Life. I'll put everything of his in the description below, so if everyone could go and check out his channel too. He's got loads of really good content. He's a really nice lad, really funny lad. So definitely check out all of his stuff for sure. And yeah, really good day. We had a really good day riding. Everyone rode really well. Good track, really like good confidence boosting track. And got to meet a few people. Some people came up to us, came and said hello, who obviously have watched our stuff, X, Y, and Z, which was good. Gave a few stickers out to people as well. So just a word, if you see the me or Kim or Bill track, just come and say hello, have a chat. It's always good, isn't it? Building a little bit of a community, which is nice. So yeah, got to give out a few stickers, meet a few people, which was nice, who were talking all about the stuff they'd watched of us and about Kim's progression as well. A few people were talking to me about how much Kim's progressed from the start of Twist and Go to now, which is brilliant. That was really good. Just a shame she wasn't there to hear any of it, unfortunately, but it was really nice of them to say, so that was really good to meet them. So yeah, perfect, really good day. So yeah, be sure to check out all of Bill's stuff. Go give his page a like and a share and stuff like that as well, because he's a top bloke, absolute top bloke. And we'll be doing more riding together, I'm sure, in the future. So yeah, be sure to check him out. Okay, that's everything. Thanks for watching. Give us a like and a share and subscribe. Thank you very much for everyone so far. Yeah, brilliant.